Welcome friends. In this video I'm going to show you my next move for the exclusive events. In this I'm going to participate in the BTC event, which is worth 25,000. So let's see how much allocation I can get. As you can see, I have available balance to participate in this event for 318 probit tokens, but because the price of probit token is down, I could have get the allocation of this much. But the last time I got like 16 probit, so let's say this is the 3 times the allocation of tokens I have already. So but if I get, let's suppose if I got previous time 16 tokens, maybe this time if I participate with this much token, I maybe get the 3 times, which are like 16 multiplied by 3 is like 48 probit tokens. But let's say let's not because I do not have this much token right now, I will go and see what I can get. So I will check all the boxes, click on max also, and click on subscribe, and I'm going to subscribe for that, and subscription is successful. So let's see how much allocation I get. And as you know my plan already, that I just want to keep grow my probit token till it reached to the $7, no matter it reached this year or next 2 or 3 years. So as you can see, previously I had 309, and participating in the previous BTC event I got the 318 probit token less, and this time I invested this much. Let's see how much I got next time. So I will keep you update with the Excel sheet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your thought in the comment box, and also join my Telegram group to discuss what I'm doing and what other platform I'm working on. So see you in the next video.